Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So last night we were here at Mae Kampong Village and I wanted to show you guys the accommodation we're staying at. And I gotta do this real quick because my GoPro technical difficulties, I cannot recharge the battery. So whatever I have left with my BBC, let's do it. So we are staying here at the Garret Mae Kampong, and this is a accommodation where if you're an art enthusiast, this is your place. Check it out. You walk in here, there's art. And then there's Clickbait over there. She's all dressed in art too. She doesn't care about the video. And let's go in here. And just look, you walk in here, the lanterns and all that stuff. Check it out. And then you have the art pieces. And this is the reception area. All right, let's go. They also have like art books here. Check it out. Woo! Oh, sexy. Oh, I know. This too. Okay, so this is the reception. Where do we even start? All these lovely ladies taking pictures. You have dogs. This is like a hipster place, the most funkiest accommodation I've ever been at. And the funky king booming ball all the way out there. Let's go upstairs first. So we're gonna show you upstairs. We're gonna show you our room later, very last, and then we'll show you the downstairs and why this is such a special place. So on the upstairs, they have small rooms and an attic, so you can show here. Check it out, even up here, all these like color, different art pieces. I'm gonna use a lot of repetitive word because I am not an art expert. The Queen's couch, a lot of places to take pictures. So guys, if you wanna take a girlfriend here, make sure you have a camera because they're gonna be taking a lot of pictures. And chicks, if you want a place where you can take a lot of pictures, try to convince you gotta come here. The Garret Mae Kampong. Oh, someone's room. It's like a hostel over here. Let's not go and disturb them. All right, so this is a very quick and dirty tour of the upstairs. Let's go downstairs. And because of the battery situation, cut. And we're back downstairs. And let's go this way now. Just look at all these fancy things. Saudi Kab. Check it out, the phones, paintings, all this stuff here. And then here's the outside. And then one of the reasons why this place is so special, God's own private waterfall over here. Check it out. And then here's the dining area. I'll show you guys a B-roll of it real quick. And then you even have like a marriage place. This is where you have your honeymoon dinner and stuff. But look, there's also a little terrace down there. And like I said, a whole lot of pictures to take pictures. No, a whole lot of places to take pictures. Sorry. All right, so now let's make our way down there. So cut and uncut. All right, so now we are going to go downstairs. So if you skip leg days, you better not stay down here because you gotta, walk your ass up. And check it out, even more rooms. And even this right here is very picturesque already. And you have more places to take pictures. And let's go to, I hope I don't slip and die here. And check out this place. The biggest flex of all, you have a tub. The water here is cold. So it's just for pictures only. And then you have a close-up of the waterfall. And this is not it, guys. There's even another step you can go down. Whew. Oh man. And look at this bathtub. Whoa, you can tell no one uses it because it's only for pictures. But check it out. And you can use this will be the most romantic bathtub ever, I guess. The waterfall, and you can actually go through it. But I'm not because I am hurt. I have an infection because of damn mosquitoes. But check it out, guys. All right, now let's go to my room. Cut and uncut. So before we go to our room, I missed on this tent out here. So let's see if anyone, no one's staying here. Okay, so check it out. You can actually go glamping here. This is pretty tight. They got mosquito nets, so you won't get bit by mosquitoes. Check it out. And a lot of rooms, they have these like, I want to say it's Hmong, but it looks like those ethnic minority kind of decoration. But yeah, you can definitely glamp here, guys. Now that we're done showing you the tent, let's go to our room. And cut! And uncut. All right, let's go to our room. Can you open the door, please? Gotta get the women to do some stuff.
So messy.
All right, so we did sleep here last night, so it's kind of messy. I didn't get a chance to vlog because we just ran out of time yesterday. But check it out. Like I said, funkiness. You got a little birdie, and then you got a, what do you even call this?
The pillow. It says pillow.
Pillows. Oh yeah. And then, I don't know if I can go through everything, but this looks like one of those like headdresses you see like the ethnic minorities in China wear. And then I've checked this already. There is no Buddha. So you got a mirror to look. Ooh, sawadee krap. Kampong. And then you got 3 little birdies. Got a little cabinet. Someone left coins here. And then look at this. Like I said, art enthusiasts, you guys must love this. And then let's go check out the bathroom. So we booked actual room, so we don't gotta do share bathroom. But here's the shower. Not so artsy. And then here's the toilet. And one thing I really like about this place is the sink. You see how tall this is? So when I'm doing my stuff, I can just be like, I don't have to bend over too much, you know, like that. And then also, here's the mirror. And if you're sick of looking at yourself, you can close it. I don't know the reason for this, but so like I said, my GoPro batteries are running out and I have no way of charging it for whatever reason. So I'll keep my videos short and add some B-rolls from my BBC. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, Jack's off.